Hello students, good morning to all. In last video we have learned poem recitation and explanation. Now it's a time for exercise. So today we will see question answers. First question, name the two birds in the poem. We have learned the poem. In that poem two birds name it is given, right? So we have to write the name of the two birds. The two birds in the poem are Robin and Jay. Second question, what are the three things that people can't do? वो कौन सी things है जो people नहीं कर सकते? The people can't grow wings, they can't eat beetles, or they can't sit on the wires. So what is the answer? The people can't grow wings, eat beetles, or sit on the wires. Third question, what do birds think of people? Birds people के बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? Answer of this question is birds think people are very funny. Birds को लगता है कि people जो है वो funny है. We are different from the birds, so that birds are thinking that people are funny. Now, talk time. Imagine what two elephants would say to each other about people. Here in the poem we have learned that how the birds are thinking about the people. So, here how the two elephants are talking with each other. They are thinking about the people that we have to discuss. First question, what people look like? So first elephant will give answer. Look at that man's nose. Second elephant will give answer. See how small it is. Again I am repeating. First elephant says, look at that man's nose. Second elephant will say, see how small it is. Elephant's nose, that means trunk. Have you seen trunk of the elephant? So how long it is? And for them, our nose it is very small. Second question, what they eat? Elephant 1 says, do you know what they eat? फर्स्ट एलिफेंट क्वेश्चन करता है दूसरे एलिफेंट को, क्या तुम्हें पता है कि पीपल क्या खाते हैं? सेकेंड एलिफेंट सेज, आई डोंट नो, इट्स स्ट्रेंज, दे डोंट ईट ग्रास और बैम्बू. सेकेंड एलिफेंट इज गिविंग आंसर दैट मुझे नहीं पता, बट इट इज स्ट्रेंज बिकॉज दे डोंट ईट ग्रास और बैम्बू. वो स्ट्रेंजर है, ये थिंग स्ट्रेंजर है क्योंकि पीपल ग्रास और बैम्बू, बैम्बू दैट मीन्स बांस की जो लकड़ी होती है, वो बड़े बड़े लंबे बांस होते हैं ना वो. सो दैट सेकेंड एलिफेंट इज टेलिंग दैट इट इज स्ट्रेंज थिंग बिकॉज वी पीपल वी आर नॉट ईटिंग ग्रास एज वेल एज बैम्बू. थर्ड क्वेश्चन, हाउ दे वॉक? First elephant says, look how those men are walking. Second elephant says, yes, they can't walk on four legs. Generally, all the animals, they are walking on the four legs, and we human beings, we are walking on two legs. So it is different for the elephants. So this elephant is giving answer. See that they are not able to walk on the four legs because we are walking on two legs. I hope that all of you have understood up to this. Now second question, let's find the two things which you can do and the birds can't do. Tell in the class, but here we are not in the class, so you can discuss with your parents. We can read books and write, but birds can't. we human beings, we people, we can read books, but birds, they are not able to read the books. Second point, we can drive cars and scooters, but birds can't do all these things. Even you can add any other points if you wish, that also you can add, that we can cook the food, but birds can't cook the food. Okay, this exercise you have to write in your notebook, English notebook. Okay, thank you.